There are a few reasons to label, not necessarily put emails into folders, but to label. Let's take a look. So over here on the left, you can see that I've got some different options. You can see that I've got inbox, starred, snoozed, sent, and then there's this label that's here. It shows up with that icon that kind of looks like a arrowed post-it note that's used for like sign here kind of documentation. Now, what I mean by that is a label is what something you can put on an email. It looks like this, and then it then becomes part of that organization here, a folder or an organized set of information. So here's how you do that. You can go to an email, read it, and then when you click on this icon, you can choose the label that you would like to apply. If you don't see one that makes sense for it, such as if this email is prompting like, oh, we're talking about hybrid learning or other larger ideas. So I might want to create this as models, learning models, and create. You'll notice that when I arrow back, it's still in my inbox. But when I go here and I click on this specific label, it shows all the email, singular, that has that label. If I click here, it shows the emails that have that label. So labels can be helpful that way because then even when I go to archive that, like a video earlier showed, with that, if I go to this learning model, I can then still come back and quickly see the ones that are here. Some of the options that I've seen folks use for labels is they have things like important or paperwork or benefits. I also see it from principle. All right. So the idea of having it to where there's that consistent spot where you can go back and look at just those options. So again, an email, how to add a label is that easy.